Long Island City, Queens, New York. October 16, 2020, a woman is dead after crashing into a commercial building in Queens. Police stated she was speeding before she collided into the building on 44th Drive and 111th Street. Witnesses at the scene say the car burst into flames as soon as it struck the building. Luckily, no one else was in the vehicle, and the woman driver was pronounced dead at the scene. The identity has not been released.
What's your name?
Oh, Maria.
All right.
So I was in my apartment when I heard a loud boom. I thought it was a truck coming, because usually trucks come up and down the street. Then we started hearing the fire engines, and there was a fire a couple years ago. So I told my niece, get dressed just in case we got to evacuate. We came out, we saw the body laying there, the car. And this is a dangerous intersection over here. This is, every other week, there's an accident. This must be the first fatal one.
don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.